Bor ka Phasi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Phyllaw ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menta ka step ka arpulai tarik uyayong arjar punrio. La lap ya kawai ka Metïap ha Tyllai Phasi ha Phyllaw jong ka Laban Police Station. La lap ya ka Metïap jong ni ubrio ubalas din Phasi ha ka jaka ba Pynher ya ka Lama India ka badan ha Phyllaw jong ka Thanat. Ki pulet kila shimti ya ka ni ka men ban penket sya civil hospital ban le ya ka postmortem. Hadu menta ampala ban itu yo ni ubrio.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
La khot e ka snong no ngi kwa yo sngo bhan ka snong de la khot ka la yat tikila pen sngo hina snong e ki mat jong ki if they keep apprehensions jong ki don hi kan we bet ya ki ka stand jong ka tourism department mangi nam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don menta hang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha ka jalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka ba phi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung project. Day ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kini ki project. Nget yang nga opi kabakaddo ki jimontoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.